It's windy. I ain't lying. I'm not lying, my friends. I'm gonna talk loud. I don't know if you hear me, but we have been having like 70 mile per hour wind gusts, like hurricane force. I'm not lying to you. Trust me. If your boy Big O does a food review, I'm telling you the truth. If your boy Big O is commenting on the weather, I'm telling you the truth. And I'll show you what I had to do to my trash cans. I normally keep my trash cans right here, and you see they're not here. And I had to put them right here. And this one, this trash can, let me show you something. This trash can against the door is full almost. It's probably 40 pounds. It blew it over, blew all the trash out. This one's got it's empty pretty much. Got a couple of plastic containers in it, but I had to put a brick in there. And that round trash can over there, the round one, is full of plastic, and it blew it over. But even though it's mostly sunny, look, I had to put it's completely full of, almost completely full of plastic. I had to put this big potting soil in here and move it over here. But these things are, I know my back door looks bad. I need to get the apartment managers to maintenance to fix that. But anyway, the wind will be barely blowing, and then out of nowhere, the wind will come like 30 to 40, 50, 60, 70 mile per hour. I mean, it's blowing everything around out here. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? It's windy. 70 mile per hour wind, that's bad, I know. Let me grab my coffee. I'm drinking some coffee. And later on today, I'm going to do a review on this coffee. This is a San Francisco Bay coffee. And I normally drink it black, but I put half and half in here. Half and half creamer, Lando Lakes. It comes in little cups because it's real cream. And I do like Coffee Mate too, but I prefer half and half because it's real cream. Look at this. I'm telling you, my friends, the wind has been super bad today. Watch this, give it a second. See how it's kind of dying down to about 10 mile per hour? Out of nowhere, a 50, 60, 70 mile per hour gust. It blew a bunch of stuff down there into the tree line. Watch how it speed up. There it goes. See how the wind's speeding up? There goes my hat. Off my head. My hat blew off my head. I'm telling you, my friends, we're getting 70 mile per hour wind gusts out here. Let me get my hat back on my head. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? It was about 40% cloudy this morning. We had heavy rain overnight. We had some heavy rain, a little bit of wind, and since the clouds have pretty much dissipated, and it's probably about 3% cloudy right now. 97% sunny, and we're getting wind out of nowhere. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? Leave it in the comments down below. Let's get my hat back on my head so I don't look like Fred. No, I'm not dead. Here comes the wind. I'm glad I'm not a weatherman. Woo! 70 mile per hour wind gusts. I'm going in and drink my coffee. Thanks for watching my little windy day report. I love everybody. Be happy, positive, focused. Try to do the right thing. Stay away from negative people. And I will see you all on down the windy road. Here it comes out of nowhere.